This video is about a spare time gig. It's about a side hustle, and I'm talking about the perfect side hustle. If you've been looking for some extra income, if you've been looking for a side hustle, a spare time gig, this is one of the best that you're going to find. And what would make a side hustle perfect? The answer is the perks, and you're not going to believe these perks. What you're about to discover is how you can do things such as eat at a restaurant for free and get paid for it. How you can go to the movies for free and get paid for it, and a whole lot more. Well, if you'd like to make between $10 and $75 per assignment, if you'd like to get free meals, free merchandise, free services, and more, keep watching. And stay with me for your bonus, which is a way to help you to make even more money. Before we talk about getting paid for doing things that you love, if this is your first time visiting this channel, welcome. It's great to have you here. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for watching. I am George Pierce. I make videos about making money from home as well as about helping you with YouTube. If either of those are of interest to you, I invite you to subscribe and ring the bell, and that way I can let you know whenever I upload a new video. Let's get back to the perfect side hustle. Your average assignment is going to pay you between $10 and $40. Some assignments are going to pay you $100 and even more. Have the option of turning down any gig, any side hustle, any job that you're not interested in. And this dream job is really a dream job. You're going to get paid again to eat at restaurants for free. You're going to get paid to buy clothes. You're going to get paid to buy shoes. You're going to get paid to go to the movies, shop for electronics, shop for appliances. You can get paid to stay at a hotel. You can get paid to stay at a resort. You can get paid to buy health supplies, beauty supplies, shop for groceries, gas up your car. You can get paid to visit a health club or visit a spa. How about getting paid to have pizza delivered to your home, for buying books or records, or going to an amusement park? And there's still more. Again, some of the free perks are free meals, free merchandise, free services. So how can you do this? The company is MSPA Americas, and you can go there after this video is over. And the reason is there's a few things that you need to know about MSPA before you get started. And number one is they are legit. And based on my research, they are the only legit company that I could find. They are a mystery shopper company, and they're the only mystery shopper company that I could find that was legit. Every other mystery shopping opportunity that I found was a scam. In fact, I'm going to leave a link below to the FTC site. This is the Federal Trade Commission site about mystery shopper scams. If you need to pay in order to obtain the services, if you need to pay to get the job, if you need to pay for anything, it's a scam. And I mean, if you need to pay to join, that's a scam. If you need to pay for a membership, for a list, if there's some kind of a fee involved, if you're going to have to pay for their services and so on, if you need to pay up front in order to get the job, it is a scam. Don't go there. Again, MSPA is free. After the video, go to their website. You'll find a link below and click on Independent Contractor. And you can join at no cost, absolutely zero cost, totally free as a subscriber. So click the Join Now button, choose between Independent Contractor Plus. If you want to go that route, that would be $30 a year. But to go free, simply click on Subscriber. That is free. Click Next. Next thing you're going to do is have to provide information such as your address, phone number, and agree to terms and conditions. And once you do that, click Join. And then go to your email, open the MSPA email, complete the registration, and log in. When you log in, this is what you're going to see, and then simply click on Opportunity Board on the left-hand side. And these are just some of the opportunities that are available at the time of this video. And these opportunities, of course, change daily. At the time of this video, you can make money for getting your oil changed. You can get paid to go through a fast food drive-through. You can make $25 to $105 for shopping a family fun center. You can make from $15 to $35 at a bowling center, or $60 for roller skating. And I do want you to check this out because I want you to see this. I love this, but I want you to know that this really does exist, and it is. You're actually going to get paid for doing this. You can get paid for never even leaving the house. Don't even have to leave the house. You can make $5. I know that's a whole not a whole lot of money, but you can make $5 for staying at home and getting food delivered, getting free food, and that's food, you know, so you can get like pizza, burgers, wings, chicken, and so on. Have a free meal, have it delivered, and get paid for it, and get paid $5. Now, I do want you to understand that this is a part-time side hustle. This is not a full-time thing. The kind of thing that you would do in your spare time. It's the kind of thing that you can certainly enjoy doing and make some extra income along with some fantastic benefits. If you like this video, if you're finding value in this video, and I certainly hope you are, give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now. Turn that like button black. I would really appreciate it if you do that, because more likes that YouTube gets on this video, the more it's going to push it out to more people. And this is a video that I think you'll agree a lot of people would really enjoy and a lot of people might benefit from. So hit that like button. Thank you so much. Do that right now. And this brings us to your bonus. And your bonus is a way that you can make money from home, from the comfort of your home. You can get started on the path to $10,000 a month from home. You'll find a link below where it says start here. Click that link and I'll send you all the details. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and just a reminder, if you like this content, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you're not going to miss any of these videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm rooting for you. Allow me to wish you much success. I'll see you in the next video.